Welcome to this white healing light guided meditation. So please find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. And let's begin by taking a few deep breaths in, allowing your body to relax and your mind to become centered. And with a few big exhales out, let go of any negativity or stagnant energy. Gently close your eyes and imagine a soft, gentle white light surrounding you. This light represents healing and warmth, and it's here to support and nourish you. As you breathe in, visualize this white light entering your body through your breath, flowing into every cell and filling you with a sense of peace and tranquility. Picture this healing light expanding within your chest, radiating from your heart center. Feel the warm and soothing energy emerging from your heart, spreading throughout your entire being. With each breath, allow this healing light to grow brighter and more vibrant, surrounding you in a bubble of love and light. As you continue to breathe, visualize this healing light flowing through your entire body. Imagine it gently washing away any tension, pain, or discomfort, replacing it with a warm, comforting sensation. Feel this healing energy moving through your muscles, your organs, and your entire being, restoring balance and harmony. Take a moment to focus on any areas of your body that may need extra healing attention. Picture the white light flowing to those areas, providing them with nourishment and healing energy that they need. Allow yourself to fully receive this healing light, trusting that it knows exactly what you need in this moment. As your body and mind absorbs this healing light, allow yourself to feel a deep sense of love and compassion for yourself. Recognize that you are deserving of healing and well-being. Embrace any emotions that arise and let them flow through you, knowing that this white light is here to support you and guide you towards healing. Now expand your awareness beyond your own being and visualize this white healing light extending outwards, reaching beyond your physical body. Envision it extending to your loved ones, your community, and the entire world. See yourself as a channel of healing energy, a powerful force of light and love, shining your light into the world. Feel the connection of all beings as you radiate this healing energy. Know that your own healing journey contributes to the collective healing. As you continue to breathe, imagine the ripple effect of your healing light, touching and transforming the lives of others. Feel a sense of deep appreciation for yourself and your ability to cultivate healing within your own being. Know that you have the power to make a difference in the world through your own healing journey. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes and carry this healing energy with you throughout your day. Remember, you are a powerful force of energy and healing. Embrace the warmth and light within your heart and shine your light into the world.